Hi everyone, I'm Natalie Terry with Terry Realty Group, and I am here today with my good friend Pam Secrest of the Pentagon Group Insurance. Pam, tell us about your business and what you do.
Hi, I am a PNC insurance agent, which means that I can write home and auto insurance, commercial insurance, workman comp insurance. I also hold my health and life license, so I can write life insurance, health insurance. I also hold my Medicare supplemental and long-term care insurance. So I love to write long-term care insurance for folks preparing for their senior years.
Wow. So essentially all things insurance. I like it. So tell me, Pam, how did you get involved in this business? I know you've been doing this for a long time.
You know what? I quite accidentally landed in insurance 43 years ago because I married a gentleman I met at a retail store, a building supply store, and because we both couldn't work there, I had to find another job. And Allstate Insurance was hiring. So I guess the moral of that story is nobody ever intends to be an insurance agent, do they?
That's really good, actually. So, tell us something that most people don't know about you.
I was a private detective for 2.5 years for Equifax.
No kidding.
Yes.
So, what kind of things did you investigate?
Well, I never went into the field because at the time my daughter's father traveled for a living and I couldn't afford for both of us to be gone from her for nights at a time because all our investigations were 3 days long. But I typed all the top security transcriptions for the detectives, so if they needed somebody to testify at a case, I had my shield.
Wow.
So I was cleared to testify and be trusted.
That's exciting.
It was.
Do you miss it?
I do. I really wanted to go into the investigative and really become like, a Charlie's Angels type of lady.
I think that's you. Definitely. All right, so this is a little bit of a different question, but what do you think is the oddest thing or situation you've been asked to insure?
So the oddest thing that I've insured in my long, illustrious career as an independent insurance agent is an inventor invented a cover for pools that he originally invented to keep the sand out of the pools in Florida, and then he actually discovered he could put lights on it, put it over the pool, and people could dance and party on it.
Wow. And this is a real invention.
It's a real invention.
And you insured it.
I insured it.
Wow. Okay. That's neat, Pam. Did you get invited to any of the parties?
Of course.
Oh, okay. Well, as long as there's perks, that's good, right?
Yes.
So what's the most memorable experience you've had in working with a client?
I've had a lot of really interesting experiences, but a couple of years ago, I insured a group of gentlemen that were strippers.
Oh.
And so the underwriter and I had to go watch a show so we could underwrite the risk properly.
Right? Are you sure that's how that worked out? Yeah.
Well, they just happened to be in a performance that week downtown at the Epicenter, and we just thought that was
extra mile.
I did.
I think that was really good of you to do that.
So that was definitely memorable.
I like that. So what sets you apart from other insurance agents?
I love to insure the uninsurable. So really tough risk like strippers and things that just got invented that are the first of their kind. I love trying to solve the problem of finding some coverage for them. Right now I'm working on several CBD oil dealers here in the area that have retail stores which they need coverage for. So I love working on the really hard stuff. It makes me feel like I'm a private investigator again.
Yeah, no doubt, no doubt. So tell us, Pam, what are your goals over the next year?
My goals over the next year are I would love to return to school and get a certified life underwriter degree. So
Okay.
that's one of the things I'm going to be working for in the next year. And I'd like to double the size of our agency.
Okay.
And in the long term, I hope to have us a storefront where our agency is visible to traffic.
That's excellent. Those are some pretty good goals. I
Mhm.
like that. So tell us, why do you think it's important to use local service providers?
It's so much better in a claim situation when you can call an agent that will actually sit on the phone with you and call in to the insurance company and walk you through the claim and tell you what's going to happen. Here's what happens next. If you get nervous or if you're scared or if you don't feel like they're not calling you back, call Pam. Rather than calling a 1-800 number,
Yeah.
you have a person that knows you and is protecting you and wants
Yeah.
to protect you even in the very situation you buy insurance for,
Right.
a claim situation.
Absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
I've talked to clients from accident scenes. They've actually called me from the accident scene when that's really not necessary. But if you feel like you need my comforting presence while you're talking to the police, I'll be happy to sit on the phone with you. And I've talked to people after they had a death in the family, and I've also experienced myself handling a claim in a fire situation.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. That's a lot.
Yes.
Wow. So thank you, Pam, for being here today. It's been an absolute pleasure to get to talk with you. If you are a local business owner of any kind and you would like to be featured on a video such as this, you can reach out to me. Please be sure to check us out at parkbench.com/Marvin. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Natalie.